Good morning, sir.
Yes. So students, in the previous class we have read, I think most of you familiar with this. So right now we'll discuss in,
Socialism in Russia.
yes, we have to start with this socialism in Russia. So earlier we have discussed about the socialism in Europe, and right now we discuss about the socialism in Russia. So on this contrary, when we discuss about the socialism in Russia is different
Sir.
from the Europe,
Yes, sir.
because whether it's solidify in the Europe or not, but it most probably solidify in Russia. कि मतलब कि बाकी जगह पर भले ही उसका विकास, इस विचारधारा का विकास कम पैमाने पे हुआ, but in the context of Russia it is fruitful in that way. Clear? So now what happened in Russia during this time when the socialism arrived in Russia? All political parties were illegal, means before 1914. यहीं से start करना है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So before 1914.
Yes, sir.
So when we talk about the political parties, the political parties are were illegal. The political parties were illegal. मतलब कि यहाँ जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज थी इस समय इलीगल थी. मतलब by your own will you can't make the what, the parties, because for making the parties you have to take the permission from the king, the Tsar, and the Tsar will never allow you to make the party. So that's why in Russia social democratic workers party, you have to know the name and write it at some place, and this is, before this you have to write down Russian Social Democratic was founded in 1898. Before to so before to do this, before this we have to know that in Russia in 1890s the industrial revolution took place. So
की वीडियो नहीं आ रही.
क्या चीज वीडियो नहीं आ रही है?
सर आपकी
अब आने लगी. किसी और का आ जा रहा है. सर नहीं आ रही है. सर आपकी वीडियो फ्रंट पे नहीं आ रही है.
एक मिनट Students, students, now it's coming.
Yes, sir. It is coming
Yes,
now.
sir.
Now, the Social Democratic was founded in 1898, and as you know, in the 1890s, the Industrial Revolution took place. So, means we can say just after 8 years.
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
Just after 8 years.
पीटर्सबर्ग कौन थे?
क्या चीज? कुछ पूछ रहे हैं बच्चे? मेरी वॉइस आ रही होगी? हाँ? गुटनबर्ग.
पीटर्सबर्ग पूछ रही है. Sir, it is name of place.
Industrial region. It was an industrial region, sir.
Sorry, once more, tell me the name. Winter Palace.
नो सर अभी भी नहीं आ रही है आपकी आवाज.
नहीं नहीं, बाकी बच्चों को तो आ रही है. आपके नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा.
Yes, sir.
बाकी सबको आ रही है.
Sir, Petersburg.
Saint Petersburg. Yes, Saint Petersburg is the name of place.
Sir, place.
Industrial region. It was an industrial region.
Yes, it was an industrial revolution, and there is also the controversy over that this name belonged to the Germany. When we talk about when the war broke out, so this name also is going to be changed, and there is too much hustle and bustle regarding that this name should be changed. But we will discuss later, but not right now. So बाकी clear है ना? देखिए आगे पढ़ रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं आपको. Then the social 1898. Then and in this party, when we talk about the Social Democratic Workers Party, which was formed in 1898, they favored the ideas of Marx. They favored the idea of Marx.
उधर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
दिखाई देगा बेटा, वहां लेकिन नहीं लिख रहे हैं. So they favored the idea of Marx, and this Marx is Karl Marx, who was a very great intellectual and who propounded the theory of communism. So during this period, the people favored the idea of Karl Marx, and means the Social Democratic Workers Party, which was found, they favored the Marx ideas. Then all this organization were illegal in the eyes of government, and the government is overtaken, means taken by the jar. ठीक है? So जार के ही अंडर में सब कुछ हुई थी. Then but this party political organization, it's not only just it's a political organization. What they have done, they set up newspaper. Then the another one is they mobilized workers. Mobilized workers. And another thing is organized
strikes.
अब इसको समझना है ध्यान से कि इसका क्या इन वर्ड्स का मतलब क्या है. देखिए, फर्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर. The newspaper was, when we see in our country, if you want to know anything, you will read the newspaper. So newspaper sparked the people minds with the different kinds of knowledges. So what the thing happened to them, means in which way he was harassed. So the newspaper tell about, and by the reading the newspaper, the other people know, and also favored that Social Democratic Workers Party And then we know the Social Democratic Workers Party favored the Marx ideas. So it propagate all these theories of Marx, and not only the Marx, they also favored, the common people also favored the Social Democratic Workers Party. Then mobilized workers, mobilized. Earlier, all were disunited, हर कोई अलग अलग था. But by the forming this, that the people come under one umbrella, and this is Social Democratic Workers Party. So that's why it worked, that the people are going to be united. Because we know, if the people are united, is going to be united, they can fight in a better manner. The another one is organized strikes. So when we talk about the organized strikes, there is, you know, the strikes. Strike. Organized strikes means in a planned way. कि कैसे प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, ये नहीं कि स्ट्राइक कर दी उसका कोई प्लान नहीं है. The plan means they have the different demands. So with the demands, they make the planning that on which subject they will work by this organized strikes. And after too much effort, they will take the gain from these strikes. Means what they need, this party will be finally agreed on that thing. Clear? Then peasants would be the main force. For example, we know in simple manner, here I will write, we know in Russia, 85% people consist peasants or cultivators. So basically, we can say that in this Russia context, the revolution took place basically by the peasants and cultivators. Not in the sense of another we talked about in the French Revolution, that mostly the intellectuals played a vital role. So, then, as well as when we think about the socialism is mostly, we can say, fruitful in the Russia context. Because when we see the socialism, except in Russia, when you see in Europe, it will not be fruitful in that way. Because there was socialism, but still, after too much years, we have seen there is no usage of socialism, except in some countries regarding basically on the bigger sense, there is Russia and China. So the socialists were active. अब इसमें किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Now, the socialists were active.
No, sir.
Socialists were active. The socialists were active. The socialists were active in countryside. Countryside, इसका मतलब समझते हैं? So when we talk about the countryside is related with rural areas. कि socialist, क्योंकि आपको पता है, मैंने पता है क्या, 85% जो है इस revolution में उन्होंने participate किया peasant है. So basically the socialists are mostly active in countryside areas. Earlier, they formed the socialist revolutionary parties. Means these people also formed socialist revolutionary party. And this has happened in 1900. 1900. See this process. You have to make in a sequence way. First of all, industrial revolution 1890s, then formation of social democratic workers. I have written downward, you can also make it upward. Then social democratic workers party in 1898. Then after, when we talk about 1900, in 1900, socialist revolutionary party was formed. Clear? Then
Yes.
this party, what was the work? The work of socialist revolutionary parties is work for the demanding the rights of the peasants. Demanding the rights of the peasants
peasant.
and demanded that the land means they are demanding
Land belonging to nobles.
demanding the rights of peasants. And not only this, they are also demanding that the land
Belonging
which is inherited,
Belonging to nobles.
yes, inherited by the
by
nobles,
noble
it should be
given
given
to peasants, transferred
Transferred.
should be given to
given to
common,
Transferred to
peasants.
peasants.
yes,
Peasant.
common people
Peasants.
who plot this land, जो उस खेत की रख रखाव करते हैं या उस पे वर्क करते हैं, कम्यून के मतलब काम करते हैं, वो लैंड उन नोबल्स को ना बिलोंग करके उनको देना चाहिए. ठीक है. Then the social democrats, so but on the contrary, अब मैं इसे रब करने जा रहा हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू रब दिस. ये समझ आ गया? इसमें देख लीजिए, कुछ पूछना है तो. पूछना है कुछ?
Organized strikes.
देखिए, ऑर्गेनाइज स्ट्राइक्स को ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. ऑर्गेनाइज का मतलब है, सिंपल हम लिखे प्लान वे. देखिए, स्ट्राइक करना अच्छी, जब देखिए स्ट्राइक का मतलब क्या आता है? भूख हड़ताल. ठीक है. तो भूख हड़ताल जब करेंगे हम, तो उस भूख हड़ताल का एक सब्जेक्ट होगा ना कि हम किस चीज के लिए कर रहे हैं. कि आपकी डिमांड होगी तो डिमांड चाहिए. तो डिमांड को ही कह सकते हैं कि ऑर्गेनाइज स्ट्राइक्स है, कि आपका एक पूरा वेल ट्रेंड तरीके से, जैसे किसी भी चीज की तैयारी करते हैं, तो तैयारी करते हैं तो ज्यादा सफल होने के
समझाते
मतलब अगर तैयारी करके किसी चीज का कुछ काम करते हैं तो उसमें ज्यादा सफल होने के चांसेस हैं. हालांकि जरूरी नहीं कि आप सफल ही हो जाएं, लेकिन चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं क्योंकि आप यू आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड स्ट्राइक्स मींस दे आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड टू fight what they want in their own way, in a simple way, we can say. Clear? और कुछ?
mobilized workers.
No, sir.
मोबिलाइज माने कि लोगों को इकट्ठा करना. हर कोई लोगों को इकट्ठा नहीं कर पाता है. और इकट्ठा करने के साथ साथ उनका लीडर बनना, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. इकट्ठा तो कर देंगे, लेकिन लीडर कैसे बनेंगे? सो व्हेन द पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी मोबिलाइज, उसको एक वे में क्या करते हैं? इकट्ठा करते हैं. तो लोगों का एक नेतृत्व करते हैं, और लोगों को नेतृत्व करने के साथ साथ उसको बताते हैं कि आपको करना क्या है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से द पीपल मोबिलाइज मींस this social democratic workers party also work in mobilizing the people. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
और कुछ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
यस सर या नो सर बताइए मुझे. एक ही
No,
साथ
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
एक ही साथ कई चीजें बोल लेते हैं. चलिए, तो ये हम देखते हैं. अब देखिए, यहाँ पर आपने देखा कि सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी किस तरह से इसको फेवर कर रही है, कॉमन पीपल को. वहीं पर एक दूसरा विंग है जो इसको फेवर नहीं कर रहा है. और वो कौन सा विंग है, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. थोड़ा लेसन टेढ़ा है, इसको धीरे धीरे पढ़ेंगे तभी समझ में आएगा. सो अनदर थिंग इज सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स.
Social Democrats.
इसमें जानना है बारीकियों से कि कौन किसके साथ है, या सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी या सोशल वर्कर्स पार्टी. ठीक ना? रशियन सोशल वर्कर पार्टी, सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक वर्कर्स पार्टी. तो यहाँ पर हम जब सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, दिस सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स डिनाइड दैट द लैंड which should be taken by the landlords and should be transferred to the common people. So whom denied? The social democrats denied. No, that the exchange of the right should not be possible. Means the land which belong to that person, it should just inherited by them, not should inherited by others. Clear?
Yeah.
Then
Yes, sir.
disagree to the social revolutionaries. Yes, तो ये मैंने बताया कि किससे ये डिसएग्रीड किससे हो गए इस चीज पर? सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरी से. इन दोनों के जो आइडियाज
से
आइडियाज के अंदर क्या आ गया, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन आ गया यहीं पर। देखिए आपने, मीन्स देयर इज अ कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन बिटवीन द आइडियाज ऑफ सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स एंड द सोशलिस्ट रेवोल्यूशनरीज।
Revolutionary.
यस, एंड ऑन द मैटर ऑफ इनहेरिटिंग द प्रॉपर्टी, कि कौन उस प्रॉपर्टी का मालिक होगा, कि जिसका लैंड है और लैंड पे किसी ने किसी को रखा हुआ है, तो वो कह रहे हैं, सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरी कह रहे हैं कि नहीं ठीक है किसी का भी लैंड हो, लेकिन जो खेत को जोतता और बोता है उसका लैंड होना चाहिए। नहीं, तो बोलते हैं सोशल डेमोक्रेट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। मीन्स ऑन द सेम, मीन्स दे डोंट हैव द सेम नोशन एंड द सेम आइडियाज ऑन दिस subject. Then Vladimir Lenin. Now you have to know this name. It's a very important name. Vladimir Lenin.
Lenin.
Who was the leader of Bolshevik? Who was the leader of the Bolshevik party?
Lenin.
There are the two parties, Bolshevik and the Menshevik. So when we talk about the Bolshevik parties, in simple sense, the Bolshevik means majority group.
Majority.
And as you know, and not only this, there is a demarcation between the ideas of the Bolshevik and Menshevik. Yes, Bolsheviks are rigid. वो एक मतलब एकदम रूढ़िवादी थे, वो किसी बात पे जुड़ में अड़ जाते थे। Then when we compare with the Mensheviks, they are the liberals, means they belong to the such liberal way.
तो minority भी तो था।
Clear?
Yes.
Minority.
So this one, the Bolshevik group thought the Tsar Russia's the party should be disciplined and the shout should control the number, the quality of its members.
Number.
Yes, see this, the Tsar Russia's the party should be disciplined. Means ये पार्टी जो थी ये पूरी की पूरी कंट्रोल कर रही थी व्लादिमीर लेनिन, और ये बहुत डिसिप्लिन वे में थी और इस तरीके से वर्क कर रही थी। Then Menshevik thought that the party should be open, मतलब इसमें कह रहे थे कि इसमें एक जो डिसिप्लिन वे में था, जो डिसिप्लिन मतलब जो जिसकी आइडियोलॉजी को, जैसे मार्क्स की आइडियोलॉजीज है, मार्क्स की आइडियोलॉजीज में जो उसके जो रिजिड है वो रिजिड ही लोग इसमें एंटर कर सकते थे, और बाकी जो मेनशेविक है, तो मेनशेविक का मतलब जैसे जो रशियन
माइनॉरिटी ग्रुप,
यस माइनॉरिटी ग्रुप है, और रशिया में भी थे मेनशेविक, तो ये थोड़े के थोड़े लिबरल थे, ठीक है। तो इनकी कंट्री में ही दो विंग बन गए थे। मेनशेविक का मतलब ये नहीं है, मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि मेनशेविक, द मेनशेविक पीपल आर आल्सो available in Germany, and these are also available in what? Russia. And the Russia Menshevik also favored the Germany's ideologies, people with the in that sense, because they are the liberals and they are also going to be liberal. Here?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you can ask? Because this point is cleared. We are start with another point. Turbulent time, the 1905 revolution. देख लीजिए, चलिए आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो अच्छी बात है। अब ये टाइमिंग इसके अंदर थोड़ी सी इस लेसन के अंदर उठती है और पीछे जा रही है, कभी पीछे जा रही है कभी आगे जा रही है, तो ये इसलिए जा रही है आपको समझाने के लिए। अब मेन 1905 at this time also the Russian Revolution, but it was crushed, so 1905 turbulent time. Turbulent means tough time for the Russians. Tough means hard time for the Russian, and the 1905 revolution. Clear? That's right. So 1905 the Russian Revolution, unlike other European rulers. संसार के तो दूसरे जो रूलर्स थे, तो उनके एवज में beginning of the 20th century the Tsar was not subject to parliament. Means the another countries favored the parliament. Means in another countries they favored the parliament, but the Tsar second not favor the parliament in the Russia, because the Tsar belong from the Russia, and the Tsar second not favor the parliament. Then the liberals with the social democrats, and the social revolutionaries, they worked with peasants and workers during the revolution. During, when we talk about the liberals, see this, liberals here, social democrats, ये इससे पहले का है, मतलब जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया इससे पहले की स्थिति है. बाद में सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स और सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरीज में जो उनकी आइडियोलॉजी है उनमें डिफरेंसेस आए थे. तो सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स एंड प्लस सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरी So liberals, social democrats and social revolutionaries. Social revolutionaries.
Revolutionary Party.
Social revolutionaries. They work with the peasants. तो किसके साथ वर्क करते थे? They all work in the favor of peasants. Yes, they all work in the favor of peasants and working during the revolution of 1905 to demand a constitution. Constitution के demand in 1905. Clear? देखिए ये सारे के सारे लोग बहुत सिंपल सा है, इसलिए मैंने प्लस करके लिखा है, इसको समझ लीजिए. लिबरल्स, यू नो अबाउट द लिबरल्स, रेडिकल्स, कंजर्वेटिव सबको जानते हैं लिबरल्स के बारे में. फिर से आपने जहाँ नोट किया उसको एक बार आइडियोलॉजी देख लेंगे. लिबरल्स, सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स के बारे में मैंने बताया. सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स और सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरी में भी डिफरेंस है इनके आइडियोलॉजी के अंदर. लेकिन earlier we discussed about a 1914 period. Right now we're discussing about the period of 1905. So they all are united and work in the favor of peasants or cultivators. Clear? Then and again, right now we again going the back. Why this revolution occurred in 1905? Then the incidents of 1904. So what happened in this period? When we talk about the 1904, then at this time what happened? Why this revolution occurred? ये revolution क्यों हुआ? Main समझना ये. First of all, the prices, inflation. Simple sense, in the prices of the daily commodities, जो दैनिक दिनचर्या की वस्तुएं उनका रेट क्या हो गया? बढ़ गया. The prices inflation means the prices of the regular commodities going to be raised, raised. So and not only raised, it raised too much. It raised near about 20%. And the salary means the people who earned the wages are same. So the previous time, and the wages are the same, but automatically the prices is going to be inflated. So when the price is going to be inflated, automatically it was what? It's a period of, we can say in a simple sense, economic depression. हल्का सा मंदी आ गया, लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड, मतलब काम करते हुए भी अब लोगों की जेब में इतना पैसा नहीं था कि वो सामान खरीद पाए. ठीक है, तो ये कहना चाहते हैं. 4 members of the Assembly of Russia workers. अब देखिए, ठीक है, ये समझ आ रहा है आपको? अब मैं यहाँ पे कैसे लिखूंगा? 4 members. Four members of Assembly of Russia. Assembly of Russia. 4 members of Assembly of Russia, workers formed in 1904. What happened to them? In 1904, this means 4 members of the Assembly of the Russia workers formed in 1904 में जो पार्टी बनी थी, तो इसमें जो 4 मेंबर्स थे, जो ये 4 मेंबर्स थे, यहाँ स्पेस नहीं है, मैं इधर लिख रहा हूँ, तो ये 4 मेंबर्स थे, इनको 1904 में एक पुटिलोव आयरन वर्क्स है, so Putilov Iron Works means these 4 members were ousted from that Putilov Iron Works in 1905. So this all makes the situation of the Russian Revolution, and the period is 1905. Don't confuse, because in 1917 there is also a revolution, and this is also a revolution, but this revolution was not in a fruitful manner. But 1917 revolution was in a fruitful manner, and it ended up the monarchical system of Tsar and arrived a new era of communism. Clear? Then over the next few days, over the next few days, यहाँ थोड़ा सा स्पेस नहीं यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखिएगा. Over the next few days, over 10,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike. Near about 10,000 workers. 10,000 workers. St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg went on strike. Means these people were ousted, and in the favor of that, 10,000 workers at St. Petersburg that favored the 4 members, and what? Now they're demanding the earlier what the things they were oppressed. So they're demanding what? First of all, क्या डिमांड किया उन्होंने, ध्यान से देखिए. I'm going to the last point. Then they demands that first of all, the demands for the betterment of the life of the workers, and the betterment are first of all fixed working hours. Fixed working hours, it means it's related to 8 hours. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Increase in wages, then improvement
Proper working condition.
then
Proper working condition.
yes, improve in working condition. ठीक है, ये आपको जो है ये पॉइंट है, इसको ध्यान रखना है. यही 3 पॉइंट है, इसको समझ रखिए. मतलब डिमांड क्या क्या थी? 4 लोगों के लिए 10,000 लोगों ने स्ट्राइक की सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग पे, एंड नॉट ओनली दिस डिमांडिंग, दे आल्सो included in them what they want, and they want fixed working hours. Means, and not only this, the pension, all the points are not written here. Means they also demanding what? They're demanding that for the equal work we will get the equal wages and the real wages. Means what happened when these properties were owned by the industrialists? What happened at this time? The salary what is written on the paper and the salary which is taken by the people is different. So that's why in the book they use the word real wages. The real wages is lower than they got. The paper mein salary thi to that's why. Fixed working hours, increase in wages, improvement. या improvement in working hours. Clear? Working conditions. So that's why इसमें से किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं.
Sir, wages.
वेजेस का मतलब सैलरी से है. सैलरी का मतलब तनख्वाह से है.
Okay, sir.
है ना? और कोई बच्चा बोले.
Sir, what is jadid? Sir, what is jadid?
We'll discuss about. For the jihadists, this word used for the Muslims, Buddhists and the jihadists. It is written in the next page. It is written, huh?
Yes,
Sir, it is written.
Yes,
Sir, in
sir.
pink box.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one by one, ask the question. Autocracy. Autocracy is related with the monarchical system. Means you can't do anything by your own will. Means all the things will done by the king, and you just stayed in the state and just listening. You are just a simple listener. You can't do anything. An observer. अब बस देखते हैं, आप देखते रह जाएंगे, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. ठीक है? और पूछिए.
Sir, who led the Bolshevik Party?
Try to find out.
Sir, Julius Julius
Sir, what is
Marto.
procedure?
Julius Marto led the Bolshevik Party.
Julius, whatever the name. So it.
Julius Marto.
Listen. This person, because when we talk about the Bolshevik Party is also in Germany. So who is the leader in the Germany? Because at the different places, the leaders are the different. So you have to confirm it.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
See in which context he is. Sorry, any more? Any more? Only 2 to 5 minutes.
Procedure मतलब
Procedure का मतलब कि वे है, तरीका है. PROCEDURE. This is, I think, procedure. This one is spelling. See this?
Yes.
Procedure. Clear?
no sir. Sir, PROCESSION. Procedure.
Procession.
Procession
This
it
is
is.
not procession. It is procession. The procession in Hindi is known as julus. Understood? जुलूस एक मॉब जो होता है, जन सैलाब, एक बड़ा सा जो कारवां जाता है, मतलब जब वो स्ट्राइक करते थे तो जुलूस निकलेगा ना, या कोई किसी चीज को प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे, तो प्रोसीजर नहीं है. प्रोसीजर का तरीका है, ये प्रोसेशन है. प्रोसेशन. ठीक है? और कुछ?
Sir, parliamentary politics.
पार्लियामेंट्री पॉलिटिक्स.
Yes, sir.
पार्लियामेंट्री का मतलब संसद के अंदर आने से पहले इन सब लीडर्स के मतलब इसमें पॉलिटिक्स में क्या इन्वॉल्वमेंट था, क्योंकि इनकी मांग को कोई सुनता नहीं था. तो जब तक इनकी जो पार्टी के जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनेगा और जब ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनकर असेंबली में आएगा, तो तब ये लोग उनकी बात को रखेंगे, तब उनको सुना जाएगा, अदरवाइज कोई नहीं सुनने वाला. Because for listening, first of all you have to reach to the parliament. When you will not reach to the parliament, who will listen you? Because for every place there is an accurate place for listening. For example, मैं कहीं और किसी रिक्शे वाले को पढ़ाऊंगा तो नहीं ना पढ़ेगा, आपको पढ़ाता हूँ, 9th क्लास में पढ़ते हैं तो पढ़ते हैं, सुनते हैं. ठीक है ना? तो the main thing is who is the appropriate. Clear?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.